Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, what we did is we attacked FB. So let's kind of go over the trade really quickly. So let's come down over here so that you can see this here. And let me open this up so that's a little bit bigger for you. So let's draw out the box. That's the first thing we want to do is draw the box out. So we come over here to 3 o'clock and we look at the high. So the high could be the 20, which is right there, or the 200. The low could be the 200 or the 20, or whatever the lowest period is, which is right here. And then we look at the close, which was 237.09. So roughly right around there. That's as close as we're going to get. So we come back over here. Let's go down to the daily for the day and the 1 minute. So you can see our box. And let me just draw the box. There, so now we got our box. So what do? Well, here's our box. Facebook opens up inside the box. We don't take the trade because that's range bound and we don't want to be range bound, right? So let's open this up here. So the candles are a little bit bigger for you so that you see it. And if I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my screens up here, so just keep that in mind. And yes, I have a real account right there. It's margin, full-blown account. I'm not going to go over all this other stuff. I mean, I've done it before multiple times. Stock is in real time. Open it up. Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ. It's all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade them. I don't need the feeds on for them. Forex, real-time, others in real-time. So I think that's the last time I'm going to be going over that because it says right there, margin, right? It's full live feeds, live everything. All right, so we look at Facebook right here, and we had some trades that are inside here, so it's kind of range. We don't want to take it. We just wait, right? And wait, we did. So what do? So let's come over here. I send out the text alert to my guys at, you see the time right there, 9:36 a.m. My guys got the trade. So I told them it was a quick 15-minute trade, but obviously it was way more than that. So bought to open 11/22, February 22nd. Or sorry, so I bought to open 11 February 22, 225 strike puts. I'm not going to tell you how much I told my guys to get or what the limit order was. That's for them to do. That's privileged information. Or the put contracts, but that's them looking for plus 35% profit, tight 12% stop loss, and that's 12% on this option trade. So 936. Let's go over to where 936 is and you see how nice the trade was. So at 936, there's the trade on that candle right there. And then you see it right down there. So if I would have told them this was a 15-minute trade, let's go to a 15-minute candle. So a 15-minute candle would have started in this area right here. That would have been a 15-minute trade. Well, that's 15, 30, that's 45 minutes. So there's your 15-minute trade right there on that second down candle right there, right? So we always go looking in at the 5-minute candle, and then we drop down on the 1 minute and 2 minute time frames to do our trades. Now, if you're wondering why I do that, it doesn't matter about the time frames. It could be the 1 minute, it could be the 2 minute, it could be the 5 minute, it could be the 10 minute, it could be the 15 minute, it could be the 30 minute, it could be the hour chart, it could be the 90-minute chart, it could be the day chart, it could be the 4-hour chart, it could be the weekly chart. It doesn't matter, right? the stock is not going to change on the time frame. The time frame is just your perception of what you're looking at for that time frame to be able to trade. It's all the same. The moving averages are going to be the same. The 20 is going to be the same. The 200 is going to be the same in proportion to what your time frame is that you're looking at. So it doesn't matter, right? So I'm an intraday momentum option scalper, right? So I'm in and I'm out. I don't want to be in for a swing trade. I don't want to be in for investing. Investing right now is the worst thing to do in this particular market. You're going to get beaten up, you're going to get spitten up, and you're going to get chewed. All right, so why would you do that? Would I do a swing trade? No, I wouldn't do a swing trade. I might do a swing trade. It all depends on how beaten up the stock is, and all depends on the momentum, right? All depends on volatility and price action to be able to do a swing trade. I'm an intraday momentum option scalper. So I'm in on a 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute candle, right? Sometimes a 10-minute candle, but majority of my trades, well, you're going to see it. That's what we do, right? So that's the 15-minute candle right there. Beautiful trade, right? And it's still moving, it's still going, right? So let me come down here to the 2 minute. So you see just exactly how beautiful that trade is, right? That's a great trade. And I said the 225 puts. So how low did we get? 226.52. That's monster, right? All right, so if you're looking to try to figure out how much I made today, well, I'll show you how much I made today. So there we go, right over there. My profit for the day, $8,500. Don't copy or steal my stuff. Pretty simple, great trade. You see it right there, 225 puts, right? All right, and I took that screenshot live in my account when I was out along. Well, it doesn't matter. I was out a while back, and I'm happy. So had I held the trade, I mean, look at this, right? Had I held the trade, instead of getting out around the 230 mark, which was right around here. So getting out right around here, see that consolidation? That's just consolidation, right? So I'm pretty much out right there. And then this is the consolidation for like whatever, an hour, right? And now had I held that trade, I mean, so beautiful, right? That could have been easily triple what I just made. So that could have been easy 8, so 16, 19. That could have been a $30,000 trade for today. But you know what? We don't get greedy, right? So if you like that information, somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link. Click the link, head on over to our site. Love to have you as a member. Love to show you how to trade profitably and methodically without the emotion. Zero emotion. I have a quant-driven style system. It's based on a set of rules. It's based on mathematical probabilities. I don't have to fool around. I don't have to get emotional. The trade is what the trade is. I look at numbers. I'm a quant-driven style trader. I look at probabilities. I don't look at profitability. I look at probabilities. I look at the numbers. I look at the option chain. Smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. All this stuff is free for you. Hope you're learning over the last, I think, 7 months now. I've been doing this on my YouTube channel. Hope you're learning a lot. Love to have you on board because I'll send you real-time trades right directly to your smartphone and to your email. And you can, I mean, do what our members are doing, which are, you know, they're laughing all the way to the bank. And they've been doing that ever since I've been putting up this YouTube channel. So you've seen the YouTube channel, just kind of scroll back and go over it and look at it and you'll see, like, it is what it is, right? I don't mean to be cocky, don't mean to be rude. I'm not the best trader out there at all. I'm an average trader. So if you want to be average and you want to get results like I'm getting results and my members are getting results, then, you know, come join us. That being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.